How to start a free trial of ConnectWise products. ConnectWise offers free trials for several of its products, allowing you to evaluate their features before making a commitment. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Visit the ConnectWise Trials page. Navigate to the official ConnectWise Trials page. Step 2. Choose the desired product trial. Browse the available products and select the one you're interested in, such as ConnectWise RMM, Remote Monitoring and Management Solution, ConnectWise Automate IT Automation Software, ConnectWise Identify, Cybersecurity Risk Assessment Tool, ConnectWise Control, Remote Support and Access Solution. Step 3. Start the free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button for your chosen product. Complete the registration form with the required information, including your business email address, full name, company name, and phone number. Step 4. Await confirmation. After submitting your information, you'll receive a confirmation email with instructions to activate your trial. Step 5. Explore the product. Once activated, you can begin using the product to assess its features and suitability for your business needs. Trial durations. ConnectWise RMM offers a free trial period. ConnectWise Automate provides a 7-day free trial. ConnectWise Identify includes a 30-day free trial. ConnectWise Control offers a 14-day free trial. By following these steps, you can effectively evaluate ConnectWise's products during their respective free trial periods and determine if they align with your organization's requirements.